Summernats, we made it. Everyone's tossing the car in the trailer. I've got my boy Nathan, last minute asked, do you want to come, and he's here, and now sucked in, boy. You're my right hand man. Put the work. We kind of got in late, cruised up, smashed it out, did the last things on the car. It's on the trailer. I got a scrutiny today, and then I don't know, today's the Friday, so. But there she is. Bonnet cut to premium perfection. Boys got that done. I marked it out. Came in on New Year's Day, smashed it out, and now we've got to see if it actually works and does skids. So. Oh, actually, we've got to see if we pass scrutineering. It's the first mission. I don't have the turbo guards yet, but I'll let them know that Raceworks has one waiting for me. I mean, if they pass the last rendition, then surely this is a spicy version. And I'm gonna have my coffee and get to the location, get scrutineered. It's like not at the actual venue, it's somewhere else. I don't know. True, we got through with flying colours, sort of. Just need the turbo guards and everything else is pretty good. Next up, Skid Row. Straight to Skid Row. So we cruised in and the temperatures just keep climbing, which is strange. I've had it idle and have no issue before, so I don't know what's going on there. Basically just rolled in and it was like 115 degrees. Gonna go try and find the right fan, and then check the settings to make sure the fan's on at the right time. But it should be. I mean, when we just put the accessories on, then it was working. So unless it's just freaking out somewhere, no idea. But anyway, on the hunt for it. We need turbo guards and the fans, and we'll come back. Here's the build I bought. Drift car and monster truck day. Definitely a busy day. True. Not bad. Oh, he did the turbo to charge, I think. Cool riggers. Quick, gotta grab all our guards. Raceworks stand. G'day, Scott.
How you doing, buddy?
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's service right there. How you going here?
Busy, and tomorrow's going to be even busier.
Nice. Where's your car at?
Yeah, we don't talk about that. Too busy working.
100%. Well, thanks for the stuff, man.
Have a good one, man.
That's a ticket. Slap them on. Gonna have to do something with this shat fan, or I'm gonna plug in and see what's going on there. See if we can cool his house down. Go to a fat skid. True, they're on. What are they?
We've got kebab protection here on 4 curb skids.
Takes all the fun out of it.
We could squeeze one in there, eh? I want to go, before I go on see what's going on in the car, I want to go over these things. There's one of my old mates.
How are you, buddy?
How's things?
Very good, very
It's
good.
Lawrence from LCS.
Yes, 4x4, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. True, it says it right there. Yeah, well, this is your fresh build.
Yeah, rebuilt. The old car rebuilt again, so.
Nice. I think we did something. We've done something in the last Summernats when I was here.
Yeah, we went for a cruise in this car, but it was turbo.
That's right. We got
LS1.
told off for going off road around the back.
That's right.
But it was turbo, the old one, wasn't it?
That's right. Yeah, LS1 with a GDX42 on it, and now we've gone to the LS3 with a
Gangster.
2300.
Nice. Does it make whiny noises?
It makes whiny noises.
Nice.
Yeah,
It has
of
to.
course it does.
It has to. So I don't know much about other 4B shit. Well, what's fancy on it?
Custom built chassis, based off an 80 series Land Cruiser. Section the chassis front and rear, extra 200mm of up travel.
Yeah,
so
insane. That's sick.
yeah. Road registerable.
Rear rad.
24 volt system for the front rear winches. I'll take R5 and PD16.
Oh, we got the fresh. Is that the the recent dash?
UC10.
I haven't even got one of them yet.
Get in line, mate.
Thanks, Lawrence from
man.
LCS. 4B4. So funny story. Lawrence and I went to primary school together.
Yep.
Now we used to ride BMX and screw around, and now we're both doing stupid shit with cars, but just in different scenes.
Yeah.
So there you go. Good times.
Good times, man.
Thanks, man. Alright, we've got some exciting news. We parked her up next to the build I bought with Airshat, and yeah, we tried to bleed her up in the sunroof.
kept on blowing air bubbles out, and then it just overflowed that in it. So pretty sure we've done a hecker.
Been hot, so it's been good coming back to Australia. Get a boost juice, baby. Anyway, we just stopped past the rod shop. So if you guys didn't know, we actually used all their stuff. They supplied the engine mounts. They actually gave us extractors for the original setup. It fits in the video. And they did the starter motor relocation. So all that stuff is running, which made the conversion extremely pain-free. So shout out to those guys. Shout out to Rod Shop. And yeah, if you're looking for any stuff for your car, make sure you jump on that shit right now.
Oh yeah, I'm just gotta go back with my guys. Hello, sir. I saw a dude with your hat on, a purple bucket hat.
I was trying to yell at you, but you smoked yourselves out.
No, I heard you and then you flipped me out. So I figured it was you.
Nah, yeah. Nice. So what's done to it? What is it? Give me a quick one. Yeah. Power, cam, like a donut.
Cams, mouse-free headstarts, all pump gears, stock bottom end. It's an F6 motor, G42 1200, classic intake, classic fuel system, new exhaust, pumps it out about 650 kilowatts.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very good.
Turbo 400. So.
Solid. Thanks, man. Phoenix fans were just testing, make sure it's wired the right way. Bit of a dog to get in them, it's got all the nice stuff now. Premium. And we're just gonna fire up, Sonny. Shat Festival's on. Fingers crossed this gets us out tomorrow. Yeah, I think we're good. Just chilling. 73, just hanging around, goes 74, then when you rev her up, it drops down. I think we're on the money. Phoenix Radio, shout out Ben Jenkins, saving the day with those, getting those fans sent down with someone. Because they didn't actually rock up in time, but he got them sorted, so we're good. Hopefully get some blazing tomorrow. We're back, day 2, car's ready to go. We got Lankin. Hey, Lankin was with us. We're gonna slap some stockies on straight to Skid Row. Don't care. Hopefully it works out.
I've been waiting for you for 2 hours. Are you sleeping? It's my first Summernats.
100%, mate.
We're going for a skid down.
Let's go.
I've been down Skid Row before.
Yeah.
Show me a good time.
We'll see how we go.
We'll see how we go.
We interrupt because we got special things coming your way. We have slashed the mystery box from $1.99 to $1.49, and you get so much chat, and we're going to throw in something even spicier to you guys that are watching. Worth over 300 bucks, only for $1.49, and you get a one of 200 pieces of the Barrowag's rear bumper. On top of that, you also go in the running to get tickets for you and your mate and fly all the way over to our Drift Fest event on January 25th, 26th, Oz Day. If that wasn't enough, just these people watching the video right now, we've got the old setup still. So the 4 turbos, the pipes, all the goodies from the old PSI60 quad turbo setup on the RB30. And we're gonna throw in a turbo to one of the random orders. Well, get on your mystery box, gangster value for all the Keeper Reet merch so you can be repping head to toe. Get on it now.
She does it! Does it well! Back from Skid Row, she did us well. Just checking the water math, and got, I don't know if you can see it, got heaps in there. So hardly use any. Intake temps were Kang. It just climbs driving the route, which is the only ass bit. You did us well. It's got heaps in it. Hardly use any, and yeah, the water temps were fine. It was just as soon as we end and then after cruise just keeps climbing. So heap soaks that ass. Anyway, we're gonna cruise around for a bit, change some tyres. Maybe we'll change the tyres so it's ready, and maybe get back out at some point. Tyres be gone, first set. Alright, we stopped past some Sonos. We've got that house, that hat, boy. Stopped past the Heatwave stand, the premium sunnies. Ooh, maybe I'll have what? Yeah. Nice. Cheeky plug on my fave sunnies from Heatwaves. They're called photochromic, so they adjust in the light, so while you're driving in like the dark or just a little bit of glare in the morning, they absolutely just adjust to perfection. Or if you're walking inside a hall here, they go to clear, absolutely Kang. So if you want to grab yourself a pair of premium Heatwaves, jump on their website, heatwave.com.au, use the code KR10, best sunnies on the market. Sunny, get around it. Oh, next set ready to go. Crank them up, 60 PSI, baby. That's what it is, PSI60, isn't it? True. She's parking. Although she hits guard, so probably got to pull the spacer off that we go on there. Ooh, rip those. No brakes, don't need. We made it around to Skid Row. This thing is so sick. I like it. Thanks, mate. That's it. Alright, we got down Skid Road, starting to get rowdy. I think they were like letting us do skids then, so hopefully I don't get banned, but I tried to do a little one, but I was wondering why it's running funny. I think we're actually out of fuel. They don't let you bring fuel into the venue, so it's actually in the truck, in the car park, which is a pain in the ass, but that's pretty much it. I think the tyres are gone anyway, so tyres also out there, but good times. We're gonna end the video here. I'm just gonna film as much antics as I can, see how wild it gets. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like that, subscribe if you enjoy this content. Love PSI60. We put a lot of effort into this, so hope you enjoy. See you next one.